This is Scott with Marc's Mobility. I got a quick video today on how to change the armrest on a Jazzy Carbon. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm going to start by pressing this button and lifting the arm up. You don't have to do it this way. I just find it a lot easier to get into the arm. Now I'm doing the side where the joystick was. I removed the joystick for this. If you're doing the other side where the joystick isn't, there's a little plastic cap right there. I would go ahead and pop that off. We're going to need it off for reasons. So there's basically two Phillips screws under here. There's a hole right here. And with this arm up, you can actually access the second hole down here. And we're going to take the screws out. Now when the screws come out, they are most likely going to fall into the arm. That's why we took this off. It's hard to get them to not do that. So the first one's done. Second one's done. You heard both screws kind of fall into the arm. So now the armrest is off. You can see the screws went in here. Attaching the new armrest is pretty easy, but first our screws fell in here. It's gonna happen. So that's why I said to pop this off, because I'm gonna have to take the chair and tilt it forward and bend them out and catch them. So now to put the new armrest on, we're gonna grab our screws. You'll notice I have a different screwdriver because this one is magnetized. It will make this a lot easier. Without a magnetized one, you're probably gonna keep dropping the screws in. Unfortunately, it does have to be up to access that point, unless you can get a screwdriver in through this little plastic bracket. So I've got my magnetized screwdriver and try to push it through to the other side. And remember, if you do drop it, you can always just tilt the chair forward and get it back again. Now that I have it through, I'm going to line it up with my arm pad. This side goes in towards the unit. And I'll just tighten it. I'll do the same with my second screw. Just make sure both are tight. And then when you're done, reinstall your joystick or pop that cap back in there. But that's how you install the armrest on a Jazzy Carbon. If you need to order an armrest for the Jazzy Carbon, I should have a link in the description below. You can always click that, or you can check out the Carbon if you want to buy one of those. Or if you have any questions, just give us a call. And thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.